a spider with a cricket. Look at that cricket. Look at the spider teeth. Look at the spider teeth. Let's go. It got a whole cricket right there. Y'all can really see what's going on. So y'all can really see what's going on. Yeah. Look at that. Face to face with a spider while it's eating. Look at the little jumping spider way up there. That one got a cricket inside of his mouth too. Spider close right here. It's some cool. Jumping spider eating the cricket. Let's go. To see it up close in person though, it's smooth.